The Christmas tree, an indispensable symbol of every holiday season, is not only deeply associated with festivities in Western countries, but has also made a remarkable mark in many Asian nations. Here, the blend of abundant natural resources, the skilled hands of farmers, and modern agricultural techniques have turned Christmas trees into a thriving industry, adding immense economic value and bringing a festive spark to the global market. Let us explore the fascinating and meticulous journey of Christmas trees, from tiny seeds to becoming the dazzling centerpiece of Christmas celebrations in millions of homes worldwide. In many Asian countries, although Christmas is not a traditional festival, cultural integration has made it widely celebrated and embraced. Consequently, the demand for Christmas trees has surged, especially in fast-developing nations like China, South Korea, Japan, India, and even Vietnam. Asia, renowned for its adaptability in production, creativity, and utilization of diverse natural conditions, has swiftly embraced this trend. Many regions have transformed traditional agricultural lands into modern Christmas tree farms, not only catering to domestic demand, but, made in Asia, Christmas trees also reach international markets, contributing significantly to the success of this industry. Christmas trees require years to grow and achieve their perfect shape. Therefore, their cultivation and care demand patience, skill, and significant dedication from farmers. Sowing seeds and germination. The journey of a Christmas tree begins with carefully selected seeds from varieties suited to each country's climate. In China, large farms in Zhejiang, Yunnan, and Fujian use hybrid technology to create trees that are drought-resistant, grow faster, and have balanced shapes. In South Korea, Nordmann fir seeds, a popular variety known for its needle retention and subtle fragrance, are imported from Europe and acclimatized in local farms. Care during growth. Once germinated, young trees are transplanted to expansive farms where they undergo meticulous care. Regular pruning. Farmers frequently trim the trees to ensure symmetrical growth, creating the iconic conical shape of Christmas trees. Fertilization. Organic fertilizers are commonly used to ensure healthy growth while remaining environmentally friendly. Pest control. Advanced techniques, such as using natural predators or bio-based pesticides, protect trees from common pests. Maturation and readiness for harvest. A typical Christmas tree takes 6 to 10 years to reach a height of 1.5 to 2 meters, the ideal size for indoor decoration. At this stage, the trees are fully shaped and prepared for harvest. Harvest season for Christmas trees in Asia typically begins in October and runs through early December to meet the demand for the holiday season. This process is meticulously executed to ensure the trees remain fresh and intact during transportation. Cutting the trees. Farmers use hand saws or small chainsaws to cut the trees at their base, employing techniques that protect the trunk and maintain the tree's shape. Processing and preservation. After cutting, the trees are bundled tightly with nets or twine and stored in specialized cooling rooms or warehouses to maintain their freshness. Packaging. The trees are sorted by size and shape before being packed in temperature-controlled containers. This step is crucial for exported trees. In addition to supplying fresh trees, Asian countries have innovated unique products to diversify the Christmas tree industry. Artificial Christmas trees. China is the largest manufacturer of artificial Christmas trees in the world, offering creative designs ranging from LED-lit trees to eco-friendly recycled materials and compact mini-models for small spaces. Wreaths and decorations, pine cones, branches, and tree trunks are repurposed into wreaths, garlands, and unique handcrafted items. The Christmas tree industry not only generates significant economic value, but also creates jobs for thousands of rural workers. In Vietnam, for example, farms in Da Lat provide stable incomes for many households while promoting the region's scenic highlands to the world. Recognizing the importance of environmental protection, many farms in Asia have adopted sustainable practices, such as replanting after harvest. For every tree harvested, a new one is planted to maintain supply and preserve forests. Green technology, solar-powered irrigation systems are being implemented in farms across China and South Korea. From the lush forests of Asia, Christmas trees are not just symbols of the festive season, but also testaments to the creativity and dedication of farmers across the region. Behind each tree lies an inspiring story of passion, hard work, and the drive to reach beyond borders. Let the Christmas tree tell its story this holiday season, from Asian farms to homes around the world.